Grab a blanket, kick your shoes aside. The ocean singing with the changing tide. Cooler packed and nowhere else to be. Just you and me beside the sea.
The breeze is dancing through the palm tree leaves. Life gets simpler every time we breathe. No clocks to watch, no worries left to chase. Just another sunset finding its place.
One more day fades into gold. Every evening tells a story worth being told. We're chasing sunsets on Pangil Beach, watching colors that no camera's ever gonna reach. Golden skies turn orange, then purple and blue. Every single evening feels brand new. With a little laughter, a picnic for two, salt in the air, and an unforgettable view. If this isn't heaven, it's close enough for me. Living this dream on Pangil Beach. Kids are laughing somewhere down the shore. Fishing boats are heading home once more. A gentle wave keeps time beneath the stars, reminding us how lucky we are. No fancy plans, no five-star view. Nothing in the world I'd trade for you. Sometimes the richest life you'll ever find is a peaceful heart and an open mind. Here's to sunsets that never get old, stories we'll laugh about when our hair turns gray. Two folding chairs, one beautiful sky, watching another perfect day drift by. We're chasing sunsets on Pangil Beach, where every evening feels just out of reach. Orange melts to pink as the daylight slips away, leaving one more memory